we've been doing this from 2016. That's the time we were affiliated with Odex India Randonneurs and which is the governing body for this in India. This is the first time we have attempted in 1200. Also, normally what's so special about this 1200 is that it was a one-way ride. To encourage people to take up randonneuring, not everyone can immediately start cycling 200. So we have this events called Brevet Populaires. Brevet Populaires are rides of anything below 200. So basically we do a 50, we do 100, and we do a 150.
We expected punctures, headwinds, language barriers. These are we faced. The only unforeseen issue that I faced was rain, a little bit of rain in Kanyakumari. Besides that, whatever we expected and we planned for, it went just as it was planned.
First time the 1200 was completely different to what you're normally used to, because you might just be awake for one night maximum for a 600, whereas over here you have to undergo 3 nights, and the exhaustion just keeps on building up. So your last day is going to be your toughest, as well as you're looking forward to finishing the ride as well. So it's a mixture of exhaustion and that stored up energy which you're going to be using.
This randonneuring, it's an individual event. The credit does not go to the club or anything. That's how it is promoted. It's more like, if a person completes something, it's more for his own benefit and for his own satisfaction that he can do it. Apart from a medal which he gets coming from France and a recognition of a homologation which is done for him, which is valid worldwide, he does not get any monetary benefit out of it. So basically, he's actually paying for the ride and going and doing it, but it's more like a self-satisfaction thing.